In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the page ID in Notion. Whether you're organizing your workspace or linking to specific parts of your Notion setup, knowing how to locate page IDs is invaluable. Today, I'll walk you through the process, showing you each step clearly so you can confidently find any page ID you need. First up, head over to your Notion workspace. Notion is a powerful tool for organizing your projects, docs, and wikis. And it all starts on the home page. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Navigate to the website and look for the Login button. Clicking this will take you to the Login page, where you have several options for how to proceed. Many of us use various accounts for our tools and services, and Notion accommodates that. For instance, if you prefer using Google for single sign-on convenience, select Continue with Google. This option streamlines the login process, pulling in your account credentials securely from Google. Simply click the button, and you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use for Notion. It's as straightforward as clicking on your chosen account. Once you're successfully logged in, navigating to your specific Notion page is your next step. Every page in Notion has a unique URL, and embedded within this URL is the page ID. A string of characters that uniquely identifies your page within the vast ocean of Notion's digital workspace. To find it, head to the page you're interested in. This could be any document or project within your workspace that you want to link to or reference. Upon opening your page, take a look at the URL in your browser's address bar. It might look like a jumble at first glance, but nestled within this URL is your page ID. It typically comes after the last / and might be a mix of letters and numbers. This ID is what Notion uses internally to keep track of all the different pages, ensuring that every piece of your workspace can be uniquely identified and accessed directly with this URL. Understanding how to find this ID can be incredibly helpful. It might be used for linking directly to this page from external sites, integrating with other services using Notion's API, or simply for quick navigation within your team's workspace. Here's a little tip. If you're collaborating in Notion or need to share specific pages often, keeping a record of these page IDs can save you time. You could create a separate Notion page or database entry, listing these IDs alongside their corresponding pages for easy reference. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you should now be able to easily find the page ID for any of your Notion pages. This simple but crucial piece of information allows you to navigate, share, and integrate your Notion pages more efficiently. Happy organizing! And make the most out of your Notion workspace.